Namaste. Welcome to Anand India channel.
I went to France for business trip. This video is about my experiences in France. From Mumbai, I went to Dubai, then to Lyon airport in France.
Ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome to Dubai International Airport. The local time 6:15 in the morning, the outside temperature 29 degrees Celsius. Please now stay in your seats with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign has been switched off.
Then I went to Maximo, which is the small village near Lyon. The roads in France are too good. On highways, the average speed is around 130 km per hour. The roads in countryside are narrow and still very good maintained and clean. I used to take this road every day to my office. This is Maximo railway station. I went to Paris on the weekend. This is TGV, the high-speed train. This one is double-decker train. The train journey was very comfortable and the trains are very clean. In morning, I went to Eiffel Tower. The Paris has wide network of metro. There are total 16 different lines. The metro network is mostly underground and around 214 kilometers long. On every metro station you will find metro map, which is very useful as there are total 303 stations. The pigeons here are bigger than what we see in India. This is the Army Museum. There is the Eiffel Tower. The Army Museum building was constructed in 1905. The historic Eiffel Tower was built in 1889. The tower is named after the engineer Gustave Eiffel, whose company designed and built this tower. There is huge queue for the ticket on weekends. The Eiffel Tower is most visited paid monument in the world. There is the ticket counter. Inside every leg of Eiffel Tower, there is a lift which will take you to the second floor. This lift is two-story lift. For adults, there is a ticket of €17 to the top. Here are the details about ticket for Eiffel Tower. Now we are going to the second floor of Eiffel Tower. You can see stairs built at the extreme sides of the tower. Also on the trusses, we'll find some lights which illuminate Eiffel Tower during night. From second floor, you can see mind-blowing view of the Seine River and the Paris city. I spotted one Ferrari. Let's go to the top of Eiffel Tower. The Eiffel Tower is 324 meters tall. There are restaurants on first and second floor of the tower. The Eiffel Tower is global cultural icon of France. The Eiffel Tower is painted every after 7 years to prevent it from rusting. It requires 60 tons of paint. We are on the top floor of Eiffel Tower. The top floor is covered with glass. From the top you can have mind-blowing view of Paris city. This one is the Pont de Bir Hakim, the bridge featured in Hollywood movie Inception. On the top there is a champagne bar. This is the Champ de Mars, one of the beautiful gardens in Paris. Let's go down and explore the surrounding places. The Guston Eiffel engraved names of 72 French scientists, engineers and mathematicians who contributed for building this tower. Near Eiffel Tower, you can take a ride to this electric tuk-tuk. I am going to explore historic monuments around Seine River. The birds and people have a nice relationship and they live with harmony. To roam around Paris, you can take bicycles or there are huge boats available at the Seine River. There are many small gardens around the Seine River. This is Palais Bourbon, a government building built in 1722. This is Luxor obelisk, a 23-meter high ancient Egyptian obelisk which was over 3000 years old and brought in Paris in 1833. There is old beautiful fountain. Then by metro I went to Louvre Museum. This is the entrance of Louvre Museum, decorated with beautiful design. The Louvre Museum is world's largest art museum and a historic monument in Paris. This glass pyramid, which was built in 1989, and the building was originally built as a fortress, belonged to French kings, which was converted into public museum after French Revolution in 1792. The museum has most valuable painting in the world. the Mona Lisa, the wings of building of Louvre Museum are beautifully decorated. The crepe is popular street food in Paris and I loved it. It looks like Indian dosa.
Sí, sí, le das en la vuelta. Está roto. Dice que sí.
This is the end of my Paris trip for now. I came back to Maximia by bus and the journey was really beautiful. I hope you like this video. The next video will be on Raigad Fort located in Maharashtra, India, which was the capital of Maratha Empire. Please subscribe to Unknown India channel. If you are not subscribed yet, you can follow Unknown India channel on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Thank you for watching. Hit the red button to subscribe and press the bell icon on YouTube app and you will never miss another update.